Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. The earth has music for those who listen. William Shakespeare. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Ralph Waldo Emerson. In every walk with nature one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. Adopt the pace of nature, her secret is patience. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. Gary Snyder. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. John Muir. The poetry of the earth is never dead. John Keats. The earth laughs in flowers. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. The sun does not shine for a few trees and flowers, but for the wide world's joy. Henry Ward Beecher. To sit in the shade on a fine day and look upon verdure is the most perfect refreshment. Jane Austen. Keep close to nature's heart. And break clear away, once in a while, and climb a mountain or spend a week in the woods. Wash your spirit clean. John Muir. Nature is the art of God. Dante Alighieri. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. Alice Walker. Nature is not our enemy, to be raped and conquered. Nature is ourselves, to be cherished and explored. Terence McKenna. The beauty of the natural world lies in the details. Natalie Angier. The earth has a soul, and that is the reason why trees grow so long and peacefully. Victor Hugo. Nature is the best medicine for serenity, peace, and healing. Machona Gloeo. I go to nature to be soothed and healed and to have my senses put in order. John Burroughs. These quotes celebrate the wonders and beauty of nature, reminding us to appreciate and protect our natural world. Thanks for watching.